Hey guys, well I am finally standing under the roof of my sawmill shed. You could probably tell because it is no longer raining. We're going to get into the rest of that project here in a second, but first I want to take kind of a little trip back and go through the build from the beginning. I'm going to show you probably one of the smartest innovations in flashlights since the LED bulb, and my go-to during the power outage, the Olight O bulb. Stick around. Well, good news, guys. I've got a buddy on his way over to give me a hand with these rafters. I think it's going to be a good day. While I'm waiting for Dustin to show up, I'm going to start laying out the cuts for these rafters. Go ahead and enjoy some rooster sounds while we're waiting. It's a little chilly today. They're saying it could snow tonight, so it'd be sure nice to get this roof on. I hope you don't mind being a big YouTube star today.
Oh, you doing some filming?
Oh yeah, you know me.
Yeah. I'm not part of that. What is it, the SAG union or whatever?
I don't have to pay full rate?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm a scab. How you been?
Elevator union's pretty close, isn't it?
Yeah. Good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, that's good. Ground's almost drying out.
I know, until tonight.
Yeah. Right.
We're talking about 2 inches of snow tonight.
Really?
Yeah, 500 foot level. I know. I'm done with it.
Yeah.
Oh, edit that out.
I'm exactly 135 3/4.
Okay.
135 3/4.
135 and a quarter.
3/4. 135 3/4.
3/4?
Oh, jeez. I got it here. I'll double check. These Home Depot boards are expensive.
I know it.
Yeah, so go 135 3/4.
Yeah, these are awfully straight for Home Depot.
Got it.
Jeez, it's almost there.
It's the same as the last shed, huh?
I'll put my forks up so we can.
I gotta go up and over here.
Okay. Hey Mel. Chap, hey, you got a mouthful of something?
No, banana.
Oh.
Morning.
How you doing?
Real well, you?
I'm doing.
My buddy Dustin giving me a hand with these rafters real quick.
That's what I walked down for. I didn't see him up there.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna grab a ladder, were you? Well, actually, it's pretty good timing. I got the roofer here.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me a hammer and nail. I think I got about 8 or 9 shingles up there at the house.
I might have a packet.
Let's see we're a little short. We're 135 and 3/8, and we're shooting for 135 and 3/4. This is the cut one that was there. So I'm gonna mark this, but I'm gonna cut a little long and just see.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Can you flush me out there?
Yeah. Should we make the cut a little steeper or no?
I don't know. The gap is pretty true.
Okay.
I used to have one of them.
Yeah? You used to have a lot of stuff, Mel.
She melted, huh?
Oh man. It's up in DeWalt heaven now.
I gotta get some more screws.
Don't go falling in love with that.
No.
Thanks. Ooh, that's a heavy one.
Go for it. Sorry, man.
It's all right.
I gotta get a ladder. It's too awkward. I'm gonna sit right there.
Perfect.
Too awkward.
What you doing, man? Working on your fort? Yeah?
Well, you got a fort someplace?
Down there.
Oh yeah.
Whoops.
On that one. I'll get you.
Well, my friend had to go, but I am extremely grateful for the help. All the rafters are up. We're ready for tin, and I'm going to get on that right now. Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying the episode so far. In just a second here, I'm going to put the tin on the roof by myself in the rain. But first, I wanted to tell you there's another Olight sale coming up. The brass i3T is on sale. There is a new orange O bulb. This was on my nightstand during the power outage. It is an extremely handy light. There are 1,000 uses for it. It is waterproof. This and the O lantern during the power outage. These things are super handy. Magnetic base. It's got the magnetic charging, just like most all of the lights. But at the beginning of the video, I mentioned possibly the smartest innovation to come to a flashlight since the LED bulb. And that is this right here. This is the Baton 3. This is a 1200 lumen everyday carry, very compact. Of course, it has the clip for wearing on the hat. Rechargeable. This will last 20 days on the low setting. This case is actually a charging station. This will completely charge the Baton 3 almost 4 times, 3.7 times. It comes with a cord to plug in the case. The light itself, though, can also be charged with the magnetic charging cord. All the information is on the website. Click on my link below. The sale starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on March 18th and runs through 11:59 p.m. on March 19th. So check it out. This thing is awesome. This would last you days and days and days if you were camping, or like for us, we had the storms and our power was out for over a week. One charge on the case would handle this light for a long time. Check out my link below. Get all the details of the sale on their website. You'll be glad you did. Because of the way my rafters tie into my high side bent, I need a wedge piece to fill in the gap between the siding and the top of the beam. So I've got this last piece of wood here set up at an angle. It'll give me 1.75 inches on one end and about a 1/2 inch on the other end, and that wedge will fill in the gap. Well guys, here it is. I've got some finishing touches I want to do around the edges of the roof, and of course side that back wall, and there's little things here and there, but I have a dried in sawmill shed. And for those of you who said it was going to be amazing, you were right. This is absolutely awesome. It's supposed to rain the next 2 days, possibly snow tonight, so I don't have to worry about tarping my sawmill anymore, and that's pretty awesome. I owe my buddy Dustin a hearty thank you. I actually traded him some sawmilling for this tin that I have on the roof, so all in all, I think I've got about $250 into this entire build so far. So yeah, not a bad way to spend $250.